there, my gems? How you doing? How's the kids? How's the dog? How's the grass? Alright, that's all I got. This is my frontal that we created. Well, that I colored. It was already a wig and I just added some color. I feel like this is a really cute color, don't you think? Today I'm just going to be showing you guys how I take out this little closure. But anyways, I'm just going to show you how I remove my lace frontals without harming my already bald edges. Okay? Well, you can take different methods and different ways for this. If you have, I only have like the Got2b glue freeze spray, but it can still rip edges. But if you have the boldhold, you definitely do not want to just, because you will be edgeless, you know? But there's different ways you could do it. Like you could use alcohol, you could use witch hazel, you could use water. But today I am using witch hazel and cotton rounds. All right, so all we're doing, open this up. Oops. And then so now we're gonna kind of, you know, just rub it. Woo! Oh, well, that escalated quickly. So this was my wig cap. That was ooh, ooh. I feel my edges pulling. Ooh. Whoa. You see this line of demarcation? This is where my wig was. That's disgusting. It's where my wig. I feel like I lost. Oh my gosh. I feel as though I got a tan. Whew. That bad boy. I feel like my eyes were like this. This hurts right here. I don't really understand how, mind you, this is from Got2b glue freeze spray. And the little, the glue, not even the lace glue. How do people do that? Oh my gosh, all day, every day? Oh no, I couldn't. Well, there you have it. Lace be gone. Until next time. See you later, my gems.